Hi YouTube, we're the Oddballers, and today we're doing a mukbang with homemade nachos. We have sour cream, salsa, medium salsa, shredded mild cheddar, and the tortilla chips, and also we have ground turkey, and it's not ground beef, it's ground turkey with cheese. See, ooh, it looks so good. Shauna's gonna look good too. She don't eat sour cream. And we have salsa on the side. And we have banana peppers on the side. And I brought my little thing of sour cream just in case I want more.
And we have apple juice to drink.
Oh, she has apple juice. I have water.
Oh, you do?
Yep. I've been drinking too much juice lately. You know, I don't drink juice like that. Okay, so you pray?
Oh. God is great, God is good, let us thank Him for our food. God is our daily grace. Amen.
Amen. And also, we're going to ask. Also, we're going to ask some questions. It's kind of like a sister tag type thing, but we're going to ask some questions about each other and answer them. Not that many questions, so we're going to do that too. But I want to taste my nachos right now. So, they good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
I'm looking at the phone like a psycho. We should try it with banana peppers.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try it. It's a big bowl.
It's doing good.
It is. It's real good. The sour cream so on point. This is how big the bowl is. This is like an average bowl. And this is the bowl for the nachos we have. I'm gonna taste banana pepper. Taste it with the banana pepper.
It's good?
It's just like jalapenos without the spice.
Mm-hmm.
It's real good. It's on point. I've been wanting some nachos too.
Me too. Remember them nachos at Denny's?
Oh yeah, I still get those.
Those zesty nachos?
To this day, I still get those.
That's so good. Queso? Oh my god.
This extra salsa though, it's good. I feel like I need like a tool, but I'm not sure what.
Like for real.
Like a scoop.
This would be so good at like a party. Like
Oh yeah, it would. Remember we was trying to do it at Daddy's Club? That would have been a hit, right? Banana pepper's good.
Remember we did the fish tacos?
Oh yeah.
That was so good.
Ooh. I was thinking we should do lobster tacos.
Oh my god.
I looked up a recipe online.
What, lobster tail?
Mm-hmm. Lobster tail. It is so good.
That junk could be so good.
Mm-hmm.
And they be on sale. The lobster tails,
We do.
they be on sale for like $7.
We only need like 3 or 4.
Yeah.
This is so good with it.
I know.
It's like adding that vinegary.
I love vinegar stuff.
Hold on. Gotta get to the questions. This is my last bite. I'm finna do the questions.
No, I've been holding it down while she do the questions.
Alright. Okay. So, the first question. Who is the oldest? Who is the youngest? I'm the oldest. She's the youngest. And I think I mentioned it in the video before that I'm 7 years older than her.
And I'm 23.
She's 23.
So you don't have to tell your age.
So just add plus. It's 7 years and 7 months. If that make a difference, but whatever. Okay. So that's the first question, we answered it. Number 2. What do you and your sister have in common? This is like a little bit, this is like a little bit different than the sister tag, because the sister tag, right? Well, any type of tag, like boyfriend tag, sister tag, whatever. Don't you ask questions and see if they get it right? Mm-hmm. Well, this is kind of like that. I said that in the beginning. It's not exactly like that. It's like we ask questions about, it's a question and we just answer it about ourselves. Yeah. So, the question was, what do you and your sister have in common?
We like comedy shows. Comedy, what? How you say it?
Comedy?
Like comedy. Like
movies?
The stand-up comedy.
Oh, yeah. Comedy shows. That's right.
This water?
Everything we like. We basically like the same stuff. We like the same foods. The only thing different that we don't really eat the same, it would be like condiments. Like I like sour cream. She don't like sour cream. We both love ranch.
You eat tomatoes?
Cooked. I don't eat raw. Like fresh tomatoes. No. I don't like them. They're nasty. But what else? What else we have in common? Like everything, right? Oh no, this is a big one. This is a good one. She's more conservative. I'm not. Like, I'm very loud. Like, oh, damn, I'm out there. Like, you know, she's not. She's more like quiet, reserved. She don't like being the center of attention. I do. I like being the center of attention. I wanted to be, if it's my birthday, I wanted to feel like it's my birthday. I want random people like, happy birthday, you know? That's just how I am. And I've been told that I'm kind of loud by several different people, so you know they don't even know each other, so I gotta be loud anyway. So she's not like that. She's like very, unless she knows you. You know, with me, she's like loud, goofy, whatever. People wouldn't even know she was like that if they don't really know her like that, cause she don't act like that around people she don't know.
I really don't.
So I'm more outspoken. I'm more loud. I like glitter, diamonds, everything. She's not like that.
Yeah,
like
if I don't know you, I'm not gonna talk at
like
all.
Even down to accessories. Like if we were gonna go to the store, like we going somewhere, we picking out accessories. I'm gonna get the biggest hoops, diamonds. I want glitter. I want big chains, everything. Huh? She gonna get little pearls, put them in her ears, and she'll go get a little necklace floating on her chest. No, sweetie,
Floating.
I don't do that. So that's another way. That's something we don't have in common.
Yeah.
So everything else is pretty much the same. It said describe your sister in one word.
Let me go.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh no. Let me see. There's so many words
Oh my God,
that I
really?
could use.
What? That sounds bad.
No, it's not bad. I would say, I really don't know. Let me see.
You want me to go first?
Yeah, well, I think.
Okay. If I had to describe her in one word, I would say very thoughtful. Like, she's a thoughtful person. Like, even when she was little, like, my mom and my dad would take her to the store, and she'd be like, what about Tiara? We gotta get Tiara something. Like, to this day, she's like, if I'm not at my grandma's house and she cooked, like, something bomb, she's like, oh, we gotta fix Tiara plate. Like, when I got here Friday, I had a plate in the freezer, ribs, cabbage, rice, like, and they already ate that, but she put a plate up for me. So, I would say she's very thoughtful. That's the word I said, right? Thoughtful or caring? Thoughtful. Okay, yeah.
I would say, I should have never done it afterwards because I'm getting full.
Oh my God, I'm not getting full at all.
But I would say, Karen. Yeah. Let's see. I'm not going to explain because I'm bad at explaining. So, that's all you're going to get.
That's good enough for me.
People, I think I smoke or something. I really don't.
Okay. This is going to be hard and it's going to require some thinking.
Come on.
What's your funniest memory? That's crazy. Because... Wait. I can't think of one incident. Funniest memory. You go first. I went first last time.
There's so many. Let me see. Golly. What is this? Oh, that's on the phone. Oh.
Ooh, I'm like legit almost done.
I'm not sure. It's so many. I really don't know. I really don't. There's too many to describe. Okay, let me see one. I think it was when...
I'm thinking while you're talking.
Yeah, sneeze.
Ew.
Say it on camera.
Okay. I think, like, together?
Yeah. Our funniest memory together. That's hard. Let's go back.
Okay. When I was telling my daddy, we was coming out the van, and then my daddy said, son.
Listen. Pause. Listen, I swear on everything. When I read these questions last week, that's the first memory popped in my head. I swear. I wouldn't even lie like that. Go.
But we was in the van, and then we was getting out, and my daddy said something. He was yelling, and I was halfway out of it. I said, who yelling at? And she was laughing. I'm surprised
so
he didn't hear me. I'm so surprised.
No, like, you have to explain how old you were. Like, it was just so funny. Like, imagine your mom yelling.
I was like 12 or 13, right?
It was so funny, yes. But imagine your mom yelling, and you look at your brother and your sister like, who she yelling at? Like, it was just so funny. I didn't.
And he was right there.
I didn't expect her to say that, but that was funny. And I swear, when I was reading these questions, when I was at work, I swear that was the first memory popped in my head. I'm not gonna even lie about that. Okay. So next question. That's probably both of our answer. Okay.
Oh, but mind you, we don't talk to our parents like that. But it was just in the moment.
Well, she means like, you know, like who you yelling at? Like, we don't talk like that. But that was just so funny because I didn't expect her to say that, and he was standing right there, and she like really looked at me like, you talking to me? Like, who you yelling at? It was just so funny. Okay, what's your nickname people call you? I have several nicknames throughout the family.
I'm just gonna get it over with because it's so ugly.
She hates her family nickname. Well, you have like 3. So, right?
No, just 2.
Okay, 2.
People call me Poopy. Oh my god. And people call me Shauna.
Yeah, and I think I slipped up and said
poop.
Poopy in one video.
Oh
Like, it's funny.
God.
My nickname, Pumpkin, Mama, my daddy call me T sometimes. People from school call me Star. I think that's about it. Ew. The way it flipped off, like, I was like, what's that? I didn't see the banana pepper. Stop making me laugh. Okay. So that was a good one. Hold on. Okay, so those are basically my nicknames that I could think of, but I have several. Like, half of my family call me one thing, and half of my family.
What about your friends?
I said some of my friends call me Star.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
It's either Star or TL.
Let me read
So, depends on when you met me. So, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, just pick one. My stuff getting cold, but it's bomb.
What does your sister think about the most? Let's say this together because we both know. 1, 2. I was like 1, 2, 3.
Food.
Who reads more? I probably do.
I slowed down reading. We used to read
And
books,
swap books.
and she'll read one. I'll be reading the other one. Then we'll switch and talk about it.
Yep.
But she still do it. Like, she read on her phone in her spare time. Like,
Wattpad.
I don't.
Have you said Wattpad? I don't know.
I actually
Okay.
write more than I read. So
She got this book that she made, and she's scared to put it out. And it's so good. I keep asking her to make more. I mean, to write more. But she acting crazy. Okay. What is your sister really bad at?
what?
Let me see. What you really bad at?
I'm bad at nothing. I'm a G. Is that Shiva? What was that? Something touched my finger. What am I bad at?
I don't really know. I don't know why I picked that question.
Never read them.
Because
This salsa so good.
I don't know what you're really bad at. Okay, do me and then I'll think.
Okay, what's she really bad at? I don't want to answer that question. I don't like it.
I think she bad at.
You don't enjoy
I don't know. Okay, next. Are you close? Yeah.
Very close.
Go put this in your bag, Johnny.
What's a weird habit of your sister?
Oh.
What that thing is you eat and it's so weird. Wait,
What?
I think sour cream is weird, but okay. Okay. What's a weird habit? Oh, let me tell y'all. This child thinks she have everything that's on TV.
Listen. You telling these people my business.
She thinks she have mesothelioma.
No, I do not. That is a lie.
Okay, what about me?
Y'all.
What's a weird habit?
A weird habit? I think it's so weird that she sleep like completely under the covers. Like, it's hot. We live in Miami.
I really do.
What are you doing? Something else weird. She won't.
I don't even know what you're about to say.
She won't eat something cold and go outside if it's cold. She thinks she's gonna catch a cold. Like, that is the weirdest thing. Like, for example, I said, we were leaving the house. I said, Shauna, you want a popsicle? Because I grabbed a popsicle. I was gonna eat it in the car on the way. She's like, no, I can't eat a popsicle. I'm cutting on the AC. I might catch a cold. What? Like, and then I asked, that was like a while ago. So I asked, I was like, Shana, you remember you said that? She was like, yeah, I don't want to catch a cold. Like, she said it like it looked like that's how you catch a cold.
That's all.
No. So, like, if it's
Okay.
cold outside and we go for ice cream, she wouldn't want to eat the ice cream because it's cold outside. She thinks she'll catch a cold like that. Very weird.
That's my food. Let's see. The other ones are stupid.
Okay. I need a napkin. Why we didn't get a napkin? Duh.
I don't know. They're right there.
Okay. Don't be clowning my phone, y'all. Got an Android, okay? Alright. Who keeps a cleaner room? When we were younger, I would never know because she was always in my room. So
Yep.
her room stayed clean.
Yep, that's why I slept every night.
Um,
It was just fun. I don't know. It was my fun.
Hills or flats? I'm hills, she's flats.
I can't. One day I'll get girly girl.
One, but your sister can.
Come on. Leave him alone.
Dang, I look cocky. Hold on.
Cocky! I read it. How about it?
I don't like that.
I'm cocky.
See, when I go like this, it look. Oh,
You look evil.
I'm full.
I'm
I ate a
not.
lot. Like,
I'm
it
still
was,
going.
It was a lot.
I am not done. Actually, I need more sour cream, but I ain't gonna do it like that. Okay.
Put this in your bag.
Have you ever liked one of her friends? Negative.
They said like that. Ew.
I'm 7 years older than her. So I'm not trying to like one of her friends. That's very weird. Even though she's grown now, that she's like 23, but if she
But
had
still.
a friend, ew.
They still young. Ew.
No. They like little.
Have her like one of her friends? Well,
Yeah, ew.
not like they wasn't boys. So no.
They saying like a crush.
Oh no. They wasn't boys though.
All my friends?
Yeah.
I had homeboys, but you never really met them.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
What is something we like to do together?
Eat.
Yeah, we do like to eat together.
And what else? No, we like to go to get our nails done and stuff.
Oh yeah, we do get our nails done and feet done. Well, I get my feet done. She don't get her feet done. But she say it tickle.
I can't. It's too ticklish. Too ticklish.
Wow. Oh yeah, and another thing, I'm very girly.
And I'm not. Likewise.
Like-
I mean, not likewise. Like, as you can
Like
see.
it's crazy how we just opposite with that though. Like I'm like nails done, feet done, hair done, skirts, dresses, heels. I'm just girly, very very girly, and she is not.
I wore a dress yesterday.
She's like a tomboy. I'm not.
Yeah, I used to climb trees and climb gates and hop over gates and stuff. And play touch football.
Stuff. I wouldn't be quite dead though. I'm sorry. No. If I'm going to sweat, I'm not doing it. Sorry. I'm very girly. You remember when mommy was trying to like recruit me for a basketball team?
Mommy?
Yeah, one of her friends was like a coach.
I didn't do it.
I just explained why I didn't do it. Like, no. They told me I couldn't get my nails done.
No, you can't.
What? No. No, I can't do that. In high school, I couldn't get my nails. No, sweetie.
I'm
No,
not gonna
ma'am.
lie. In high school, I should have been more. Like, I should have did more stuff. Like, basketball or something. But I didn't. That's why it was so boring. It wasn't really boring.
In high school, I didn't do any high school activities. I don't regret it. I don't really care. Because I follow some of them people on Instagram. Those activities didn't help them. So, probably wouldn't help me.
Do I look cockeyed? Huh?
No.
Oh.
I mean, not right now. Whatever. That's funny.
I'm not talking about you. I'm just asking.
But, see, I'm almost done. But,
I'm getting full.
we never really been rude to each other.
My mama ring our neck. I said my mama. My mom didn't ring our neck.
Like, we were always, I mean, she was aggravating when she was little. She was a follow me
She was aggravating too.
everywhere. What? When did I aggravate
She
you?
asked me to do everything.
I did.
I was a little maid.
No. She's lying. She taking it too far. I did everything for her. Okay? Like, I was like a third parent. Okay?
That's true.
So if I asked you to give me some water, shouldn't be a problem, right?
I didn't know that.
She probably did me like they did. Craig did Saturday on Friday. Drop my ice on the ground and put it back in the cup.
Ew, that's nasty.
Who knows? Well, it's not just two of us. We have a god sister that we are very close to as well. And if she see this video, she probably will kill us. She'll want to be included.
Yeah.
What was that, Kiki?
Yo.
I'm full.
Oh my god.
I am. It's the water. I didn't get full. So I don't. Why I say water like that?
Water.
Water.
Girl.
It's the water. No,
That's
I try
that
to.
parasitic.
No, listen. I try to. No, when I go to the drive-thru, and I ask for a large water. First of all, they think it's weird because nobody order a large water. But anyway, they say, "Huh?" I say, "Can I have a large water?" A what? I'm like, a water. I don't know why I say water like that.
I'm done. I really am.
Another
I ate
thing,
a lot. Like a lot.
she's a quitter.
I knew you were going to say that.
Never been a quitter, baby. You already know. I goes all the way. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. So anyway, if y'all want to see us eat something or from a certain restaurant, leave a suggestion. And in the comments, comment down below who's your favorite sibling. Is it your sister or your brother? Well, we only have each other, so we didn't have much to work with. So if she ain't like me, too bad. I'm all you got.
And comment down, what do you eat on your nachos?
And if I didn't like her, too bad. See all I got. This is crazy shit. Anyway, that's enough about her.
Whatever, you talk about me every video.
I do?
Yeah.
That's how much I love you. Because I love you.
Alright, so yeah. We're finished. And I can't look at it no more because it's starting to look nasty because I'm full.
You don't look nasty to me and I'm not done.
Alright, so that's it, right?
No, I'm not finished.
Oh, sorry.
You tripping.
Sorry. I thought we was finished.
Oh, we should do a vegan mukbang. Mukbang.
Wait, what? Vegetables and stuff?
Vegan, like from a vegan restaurant.
Oh, yeah, they do have some. And they do look good. Like their burgers, they do look good.
I want to try vegan mac and cheese.
Excuse me. Oh, my God. With the
Mm,
crust
looks so good.
on the top.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever it is.
It's good.
My hair look, I say this every video because it look nappy, but it's not. I promise these are curls and not naps. I promise.
I've had nacho hair.
I have two now. Yeah.
Boom.
Whoa.
I already know. I was hungry.
I'm very full.
I'm done. That was good.
Yeah, it was real good.
So the spicy noodle challenge is coming soon, and the Burger King challenge, because that was a request also. We didn't forget. We just had other stuff before that. Okay. I'm full, I'm happy, I'm done. Oh, that could be a little thing. I'm full, I'm happy, I'm done. You like that?
Yeah.
I like that. I'm full, I'm happy, I'm done.
Nobody don't steal it now.
They can't. It's already in the patent. Alright. So, gotta say bye.
Oh, bye, you guys.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye.
See y'all next video.